Okay, now let's learn the seasons of the year. The seasons of the year in Ndebele is called Izigaba zomnyaka. Say it with me. Izigaba zomnyaka. Very good. Now, the word for summer in Ndebele is hlobo. Say it with me. Hlobo. And hlobo, summer, is generally mpalagazi, uzibandlela, mhlolanja, lombimbito, which would be December, January, February, and March. Okay, so that's the summertime in Zimbabwe, in southern Africa. That's summer. The word for autumn or fall is kwindla. Say it with me. Kwindla. And generally that is umabasa and unkwenkwezi, all right? So that's April and May, okay? That's the autumn fall time in Zimbabwe or in southern Africa. And then right after that comes winter, and winter in Ndebele is busika. Say it with me. Busika. Generally the months of ubusika are unhlolanja, untulikazi, loncwabakazi. That's generally June, July, and August. So those are the winter months. And then you'll have spring. And spring, the word for spring in Ndebele is ntwasa. Say it with me. Ntwasa. And generally that's umpandula, umfufu, and ulwezi. That's September, October, and November. Okay, I think we're doing very well. Now, to round off our lesson, let's learn a few more words to do with time, and then we can learn about people and age and birthdays and that kind of thing, okay? All right. Now, the word for now is khathesi. Say it with me. Khathesi. Now, khathesi. The word for later is mbai-mbai. Mbai-mbai. Did you get that? Okay. The word for early or quickly is masinya. Say it with me. Masinya. The word for late is phuza. Say it with me. Phuza. And the word for hurry up is phangisa. Say it with me. Phangisa. Hurry up. Phangisa. Very good. Okay, and now let's learn words to do with age and people. That would be abantu leminyaka yokuzalwa. People, abantu leminyaka yokuzalwa, and age. Okay. The word in Ndebele for age is iminyaka yokuzalwa. Say it with me. Iminyaka yokuzalwa. Good job. Somebody's birthday is ilanga lokuzalwa. Birthday. Say it with me. Ilanga lokuzalwa. Good job. A party would be umcimbi or idili. Try them with me. Umcimbi or idili. Very good. A present or a gift would be isipho. Say it with me. Isipho. All right. The word for to be born is ukuzalwa. Say it with me. Ukuzalwa. The word for give birth to is zala. Say it with me. Zala. Good. The word for parents, your parents, my parents is abazali. Say it with me. Abazali. Very good. The word for children is abantwana. Say it with me. abantwana. Good. The word for a young person, like me, is umuntu omucha. Say it with me. Umuntu omucha. On the other hand, the word for old is guga. Say it with me. Guga. If you want to say, I'm old or I'm getting old, you would say, sengigugile. I'm getting old. Say it with me. Sengigugile. Good. The word for a baby, a small little baby, is ingane. Say it with me. Ingane. The word for an adult is umuntu okhulileyo. Say it with me. Umuntu okhulileyo. Very good. If you want to ask somebody, how old are you? You would say, ulemnyaka emingaki. Say it with me. Ulemnyaka emingaki. Good job. If you wanted to answer somebody who asked you, how old are you? You would say, ngilemnyaka engu, and then the number. Maybe you're 15. You could say, ngilemnyaka engu 15. Then, if you wanted to ask someone, when is your birthday? You would say, ilanga lakho lokuzalwa linini. Try it with me. Ilanga lakho lokuzalwa linini. Good. To answer someone who asks you, when is your birthday? You would say, let's say your birthday is on the 12th of January. You would say, limhlaga 12 ga Zibandlela. Say it again. Limhlaga 12 ga Zibandlela. Good. If you went to a birthday, you were invited to a birthday, and you wanted to say happy birthday to somebody, you would say, Langelihle lokuzalwa. Say it with me. Langelihle lokuzalwa. Happy birthday. Langelihle lokuzalwa. And we did this when we went through the months, but in order for you to say in March or in April or in May, you would say ngo and the month. So let's say in March, you would say ngo mbimbito. Say it with me. Ngo mbimbito. And the same principle applies if you want to talk about the days. If you want to say on Monday or on Tuesday or on Wednesday, you would say ngo and the day. So let's say on Monday, you say ngo mvulo. Say it with me. Ngo mvulo. Or any of the other days. Excellent work. Now we've come to the end of our lesson for today. How did you do? I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed teaching you. Well, it's time for me to say goodbye once more. So, salani kuhle, bye-bye, ngizalibona phambili. I'll see you in the lessons up ahead. Yimi untando. Toodaloo.